Hi, my name is Kelvin, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to use a multimeter to measure resistance. Okay, so let us learn about how we can use this digital multimeter to measure resistance. First of all, for this type of meter I'm using, we have the power button to turn on and off the multimeter. Then we have the peak holder. PK stands for peak. I'll show you how to use this function later on. Then this is a backlight. Can turn on and off the backlight. To measure resistance, we look at this range here where we have this symbol which stands for ohms. And looking carefully at this range, it's from 200 ohms to 2000 mega ohms. So inside this range we can measure any resistance between 1 to 2000 mega ohms. So this is the range our multimeter can measure. So the most important thing is to understand this range over here. So this range, looking at this multimeter, we have 200 kilohertz, 200 kilohertz, 2 megahertz, 20 megahertz, and 2000 megahertz. So going back to the first range, so what this means, when I turn this knob to 200, this range here can measure resistance value for anywhere between 1 ohm to 200 ohms. Then this one can measure anywhere from between 1 ohm to 2000 ohms or 2 kilo ohms. Remember that 1000 ohms make 1 kilo ohm and 1000 kilo ohms make 1 mega ohm. So moving forward, over here we have 2 mega ohms. So this is equivalent to 2 million ohms. 2 mega ohms is equivalent to 2 million ohms. These are very high. Okay, so let us see how we go about measuring resistance. Let's say I have a random resistor and I'd like to measure the resistance. So first of all, I connect the ends of the resistor to these probes. Then I'm starting at the lowest range, which is the 200 ohm range. So while there, I do not get any reading on the multimeter screen. So this means I have to turn this knob onto the next range. Now I'm on the 2 kilo ohm range. Then I connect my resistor. Oh nice, now we're getting a value, we're getting a reading of 551. So this tells us that this resistor has a resistance of 551 ohms. One thing to note is that there is a decimal point, okay? This because we are in the kilo ohm range. So remember about the conversion. Our resistor is 551 ohms. We can represent that in kilo ohms. So if we move to the next range, the 20 kilo ohm range, then the decimal point moves forward. Now we have 0.55. So we can read that as 0.55 kilo ohms. That is if you want to represent your answer in kilo ohms. We need to discuss about this function over here. This is a very useful function, the continuity. One application is that we can use it to measure an open resistor or a damaged resistor. It can help us know a damaged resistor. Start by connecting the two knobs together when we're in this function. You notice that you get a buzz. Is a buzz sound which comes from the multimeter. If you connect the two ends of a resistor, let's say over 10 kilo ohm resistor, but you get that sound, that then surely tells you that that resistor is damaged and needs replacement. So that's a very important function. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any question, post it in the comment section below, and I encourage you to ask any questions you have about electronics or about using any electronic tool or equipment, and surely we'll make a tutorial video for that. Bye.